prepare for your work area for a new client. You will also prepare for a client for services. You will set up your work area with the universal supplies that you will use for the remainder of the examination. You will also set up for work area for the following sections of the examination: hair removal of the eyebrow, tweezing and simulated soft wax, microdermabrasion, facial mask, facial makeup, eyelash enhancement. You will be expected to follow all client protection, safety, and infection control procedures. You will have 15 minutes to complete this section. You will be informed when you have 8 minutes remaining. Step back to indicate you have finished. Instructions will be repeated. You may begin. Okay? First thing that you do, sanitize. Okay? You're going to grab your barbicide, another paper towel. Let's clean. Okay? It's okay if you put your lid down. Okay? We're not going to kill you. Don't hold it and start doing it, but clean table. Clean your stool. You can move your mannequin head if you need to. Clean the back table. Again, move the products over if you need to. Clean everything again, shelves and everything. Okay, put this down. Ladies, I just realized after hand sanitize, we should have opened our trash bags. That was my mistake, okay? Because look, the trash bag's closed, okay? So it should have been trash bags open and then done that, okay? That's okay. If mistakes happen, you just throw away your trash and what do? Sanitize, okay? So it's not the end of the world. It's as long as we follow procedures. Open up your soiled linens too. Okay? Sanitize. Okay? After you have cleaned everything, move back your first aid kit, your paper towel with barbicide, your pencil, your items to be disinfected. Grab out your towels. Okay? These would be fresh towels. Okay? Your working station. Now, ladies, I didn't have enough towels to give you two, so if it has to spill over a little bit because there's a lot of products for this one, that's okay. Okay? Okay, by now your towel should be done, so if you are done with the bag, toss it in the trash. If you have extra bags, zip it up, put it in the shelves, okay? All right, now afterwards, grab your kit, okay, which would be your black kit, open the suitcase up. The only thing that should be in there is your second client bag, okay? Go ahead and put it up on the working station. It's a clean station. Close your bag or zip up your bag. Toss it in the back. Sanitize your hands. Okay? Let's open second client bag. It doesn't matter which order you go. You wanna dress your client first, you're welcome to do that. You wanna set up the products first, it's fine, okay? Remember, grab another paper towel or two and make an SMA. Remember, every time you open something, you gotta zip it back up, okay? I would do it in the order of the procedures. Remember, I told you, ladies, first being tweezing and waxing, okay? I would put it right here in the bottom left-hand corner. Okay? Ladies, I just remembered, if you have your, remember we are using bottles from the last one. If you have your astringent bottle from your first client, you're welcome to yank that out and if your items to be disinfected and use it as a second. By the time you mock, I expect you to have another bottle. But for now, for practicing, you're welcome to grab that out, okay? We're gonna use astringent, pretend it's antiseptic, prep solution. We're gonna use it for a few things, okay? If you do have all your bottles ready, you could have that too, okay? Powder, soft wax, close epilation, you should have your antiseptic. Tweezers, your wax strips, okay? If you have bags, throw them away in the trash. Next should be microdermabrasion. Okay? Your goggles, your handpiece, your face mask. Okay, I just want to repeat, for your SMA, anything that you would use one time on a client and then either throw away or would be in items to be disinfected goes on your SMA. Anything that you would use again on a universal on a client, like you want to throw away your aloe just because you used it on one client, would go outside of the SMA, okay? So these are one-time use, kind of, for each client, I would leave it on my SMA. Toss it, okay? So, but if you leave it outside of the SMA like this because it's getting crowded, that's okay too. I just want to kind of explain that, all right? Moving on, after microdermabrasion, you have your facial mask, okay? Facial brush, you would have a mask and a moisturizer, all labeled. Throw away the bag. If you touch the trash bag or you need to fix it, remember to sanitize your hands. Afterwards, your makeup. I recommend putting makeup in the order just like we talked about in the NIC, okay, which would start off with foundation, powder, blush, eyebrow, pencil. Remember, you can have one eyebrow pencil for both eyeliner and eyebrow grooming, okay? And then your eyeshadow, eyeliner, mascara. Okay, you don't have to have in this order. It's just, like I said, it kind of makes it easier. Down to lip liner, lipstick, okay, and your palette. And then I recommend taking your makeup cape, putting it on top of the makeup so you remember to address your client later. Open your sponges, put it on SMA. If you're done with the makeup bag, throw it away. Sanitize your hands. Yes. Moving to eyelashes. All right. Again, you only have one pair of tweezers. If you bought two, that's great. If not, we are going to simulate and we'll take it out of the items to be disinfected. After tweezing, we'll use it for eyelashes, okay? So don't worry about that. But when you mock, buy two. Okay. Grab all your tissues, your spatulas, everything, put them in the middle of the SMA. This is where I told you guys you could individually put spatulas in each bag, or I put them separately and told you guys. It doesn't matter. If you individually put it in each bag, just put it on your SMA afterwards, okay? Your tissues, your spatulas, your Q-tips, your gloves, okay, cottons, everything. If you are done, you gotta drape your client as well. Okay, I don't know if you guys did that yet, but if you're completely done, you can sanitize your hands and step back, and you are very fast. I'm gonna drape my client for my client number 2. Remember, if you're moving from this section to this section, sanitize your hands. It doesn't matter which way you do it. You want to do bonnet and then headband. You want to do headband and then bonnet, that's okay. You technically only actually need one, just a bonnet or headband, but in Western State they give you both, so I'm going to do both. And in a client here at Career Academy, we expect you to do both. Roll the towels. Again, you have time, okay? So it goes pretty fast to make sure and check that everything's here. Okay? Don't panic. Okay? What if I drop something? Whoops, I dropped my water. Okay? I got so nervous I dropped it. It's okay. Sanitize my hands. Grab the water. Grab a paper towel and a barbicide. And the barbicide. Okay? Open it.
In the Western State Kit, is it labeled client 1 and client 2?
Yes. Okay, close it. Clean the bottle, okay? Toss in the trash, put it back on my working station, sanitize. Step back.